All right, pre-K, are you ready to count to 100? It's time for some number learning. Let's start by counting to 100, and I want you to do the voices with me, right? We start with the ones family, normal voice. Teen family, sound like teenagers. The 20s family in a deep voice. 30s family with that tongue sticking out. The 40s are like soldiers. The 50s are fancy. The 60s are superheroes. The 70s are secret agents. Secret 70s. The 80s are cowboys. 80s. And the 90s are the babies of the family because they're the last one. And the last one is usually, the last one in a family is usually the baby, right? So we're going to say those like babies. I want you to say the voices with me. Let's start together. Here we go. Are you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, let me hear you, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, stick that tongue out, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Guys, 100! We counted to 100. We counted the long way. Do you think we can count the fast way where we just count the dads? Do you remember the dads? Get your cup of tea ready. 20, 30, 40. Get that tea ready. Let's count the dads right across the top. All of the dads have a 0 at the end. And I can almost imagine that 0 being their like cup of tea. As they're drinking their tea, I imagine that round 0 is like what they're drinking for their tea. It's like their cup, right? All right, here we go, guys. Ready? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100! We counted to 100, guys! I love it. And that's the super fast way. It goes so much faster when you count just the dads. Let's play a round of spin that finger. Are you ready? When you're looking, see if you can figure out which number I'm pointing to. I'm going to try to show the whole number chart so that you can see and figure out which number am I pointing to. Ready? Spin that finger. Oh, I'm losing my pointer. Ooh, what's this one? 72. Good job, guys. See if you can say it before I do. Oh, what's this one? 43. Good job. Way down here. What's that one? 27. Oh, down here. 58. One last one. Oh, it's a dad. 90. Guys, you're getting good at this game. Keep practicing those numbers. As you see them more and more, you start recognizing, I know what that number is. Keep it up. All right. Let's look at some of our shapes, huh? We haven't done the shapes for a little bit. Let's talk about some of those shapes. Ready? Say them with me. Heart. Cone. Pentagon. Pentagon. Remember, of your 5 fingers? Pentagon for 5 sides. Rhombus. Hexagon. Trapezoid. Gets trapped because it's angling in together. Ooh, that silly cylinder. Oval. Pyramid. Peer off the top of it. Circle. Cube. Rectangle. Ooh, rectangular prism. It pops out at you. Rectangular prism. Officer octagon. Triangle. Square. Star. No problem. Parallelogram. My favorite shape because my brother is named Graham. Parallelogram. Makes me think of him every time. I love it. And last one. Sphere. Right? You hear that ball whizzing through the air? Sphere. Don't let it hit you. Right? Sphere. Sphere. Awesome. All right, guys. I'm going to talk a little bit about the clock. Let's take a peek over here. I want us to review what we've been learning about this wonderful clock. This is a special type of clock, an analog clock. And this type of clock has numbers that go around in a circle from 1 all the way around to 12. It goes around in this direction, which is called clockwise. And these pointers always go in the clockwise direction, unless it's like broken or something. And it's supposed to go in the clockwise direction. Each of these pointers is called a hand. There's a longer hand and a shorter hand. The shorter hand is always my favorite. The shorter hand is our little friend. It's the hour hand. Our little friend. The hour hand. The hour hand. And this one, oh brother, this one's super tricky. It's the minute hand. Hour hand, minute hand. Hour hand, minute hand. And the hour hand likes to point to the number that it says the number that it's pointing to. So as it goes around the clock, it's really easy to figure out. As it goes around clockwise, it goes 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Keep saying 6, 6, 6 until it gets all the way to the 7, and then it says 7. What a good little hand. It just does the right thing. It always says the number it's pointing to. Then it says 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 until it gets all the way to number 8. Then it starts saying 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, all the way till it gets to 9. Then it says the next number. Now the minute hand is trickier. He does not say the numbers that he's pointing to. When he's pointing to the bottom, he does not say 6. When he's at the top, he does not say 12. You know what he does? He says, "Oh, clock." And I like to make like an O at the top. "Oh, clock." And then when he's down here at the 6, he says, 30. "Oh, clock" at the top. 30. If we were together, I would have us dance together. Can you dance with me for a minute? "Oh, clock." 30. "Oh, clock." 30. One more. "Oh, clock." 30. Did you dance with me? I love doing the "oh, clock 30" dance. So when he's at the top, he says "oh, clock." When he points down and sturdy, he says 30. So this is the minute hand saying 30, and this is the minute hand saying "oh, clock." Guys, keep practicing those times. All right, I got one more thing to practice with you guys, and I brought something a little different today to show you. I have a couple dice. And I thought we could use these for adding today. I thought we could kind of roll the dice, see what we get. Ooh, let's see. The first one, you see, I have 2 dice. I'm going to add them together. The first one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one has 5, and this one has 1, 2, 3. 3 dots on this one, 5 dots on this one. If I wanted to add them together, I would say 5 plus 3 more equals how many altogether? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can even just start at 5. If I already know that I have 5 here, I can just keep counting past 5 with the next one. So I can say 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 more equals 8 all together. So I want to do a couple of these together. I got my marker too to write it down, but I think I don't even need it. I think we'll just add them as dice. We'll look at the dice, we'll see how many are on each of the dice, and then we'll put them together. Okay, guys? All right, I love this. This is awesome. Okay, I'm going to roll the dice. If you have some dice at home, you could try this. It's super fun. And you can find out if you're right or wrong by counting and seeing. You could guess and see, oh, I think that's probably 8, and then see if you're right. All right, guys, let's see. I'm going to roll the dice. And what do we have? We have this and this. Okay, let's count them together. Let's see first, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 more equals how many all together? Let's see. We can already start at 4 because we know that we have 4. 1 more would be 5. 4 plus 1 more equals 5. We have 5 all together. All right, let's do a couple more, guys, and then we'll be all done, I promise. But I want to see, guys, this is a great way to practice your adding and seeing if you can put numbers together. All right, woohoo! What do I have here? Oh, I got a 5. Oh! I got 2 that are the same. Check it out. That's exciting. All right, let's count this one and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the same. So this is 5 and this is 5. What would 5 plus 5 more equal all together? Well, let's see. We can start at 5 because we know this is already 5. So let's just count more and keep going. We can count to 5, but you can really just skip that part and just keep going on to past 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 more equals 10 all together. And you can even see that on your fingers. If you have 5 on this hand and 5 on this hand, it equals 10 all together. Keep practicing that adding, guys. I love it. You guys are getting so smart, and I'm really proud of you. Keep up the good work.